sound of dreams. Life's a battle on the could win. Don't retreat, we'll dive right in.
What is this? My venom power. I can barely control it. Spider-Man! They got Lee!
Scorpion 2! I'm after them now! Miles, do you think you can handle Lee? I can turn around right now!
No! I got this! Go on!
Are you sure?
I can't let him near my family again! Not after what he did to my dad! I have to protect them! They need me, man!
Nothing will happen to your family! Nothing! You got this! I'll be back soon!
I've got this!
Where'd he go? He just finished! Targeting my sights! Get back here!
He's staying right here.
Subdue the spider! You're a thief, Lee!
You're not taking him!